In the light of several media inquiries regarding the yehlambo ceremony, cleansing ceremony, and ritual hunt announced on behalf of His Majesty King Mangosuthu Zwelithini, I wish to advise that the ritual hunt on the 25th of June 2022 is not a public event and will not be open to the media or to participation outside of the royal family. It is understandable that members of the Zulu nation would wish to join His Majesty for the ritual hunt. However, this is not a forum for such participation. In line with tradition, it is a ritual performed by His Majesty the King and members of the royal family alone. The announcement of the date for the hunt was merely to advise the nation that His Majesty the King would be doing what tradition requires following the passing of his father in March last year. The yehlambo or cleansing ceremony on the 26th of June 2020, however, is a public event, and participation as well as the presence of the media is warmly welcomed. Thank you.